Think I got the chance, and I ain't gonna waste it. Honey dripping romance, and the hours are fading. This world keeps coming round and round, so there ain't no use feeling down. We're much better together, I know. This is our time. It's a crazy cosmic journey. I feel fine. Something's so right. This is our time. There's no tired of trying to walk the dotted line. There's no waiting, hesitating, baby. This is our time.
Today, Agathe and Cameron show us what true love really means.
My dad's happiness and loyalty.
Their story is a testament to the beauty of love and resilience. They went through moments of distance and uncertainty and always found their way to each other.
Present. Ma. Present.
Their love is an inspiration to us all. By celebrating their union, we also celebrate the power of love and the wonderful adventure of marriage.
Agathe et Cameron se sont rencontrés à Nottingham au printemps 2014, lors d'une soirée organisée par un ami commun. Malgré une réticence initiale à sortir, Agathe s'y rend pour accompagner son amie Clémence. La soirée prend un tournant un peu inattendu lorsqu'un certain DJ, Cameron, vient s'asseoir à côté d'Agathe après avoir été écarté de ses platines. Ils commencent à discuter et avant de s'en rendre compte, le soleil se lève et ils sont encore en pleine conversation.
After this first meeting, Agathe returns home without any way to contact Cameron, thinking she will never see him again in this very small town of 75,000 students. But fate intervenes again. A few weeks later, during an evening on a rooftop, their paths cross again. This time, they exchange contacts and become inseparable for the rest of spring. Their relationship was quickly consolidated, even in the face of the challenges of distance, when Agathe returned to France to pursue her studies. Agathe and Cameron grew up in very different environments, but share common values of caring, support and fulfillment. Their 20s were dedicated to their respective careers, and in 2023, both celebrated their 30th anniversary. Now, in 2024, they prepare to begin a new chapter, married life. They envision a simple and happy life marked by love, respect and small daily attentions.
A soulmate is someone who has locks that fit our keys, and keys to fit our locks. When we feel safe to open the locks, our truest selves step out, and we can be completely and honestly who we are. We can be loved for who we are, and not for who we're pretending to be. Each unveils the best part of the other. No matter what else goes wrong around us, with that one person, we're safe in our own paradise. Our soulmate is someone who shares our deepest longings, our sense of direction. When we're two balloons, and together our direction is up, chances are we found the right person. Our soulmate is the one who makes life come to life.
I feel incredibly fortunate to have found you and had you by my side for over 10 years. From the woman who first captured my heart and was described on day one as the most interesting person I'd ever met in my life, to becoming the love of my life and now my wife.
I take you, Cameron, to be my husband, to have and to hold, to love and to cherish. I promise to be by your side, whatever life throws our way, for richer, for poorer, in sickness, in health, for good times, for hard times.
I cherish this journey we've shared, and throughout this decade, you've brought me so much joy and a profound sense of peace into my life that I never knew was possible.
I promise to make time and space for us, to always take an interest in your interests, to go on adventures, big and small.
I vow to support and encourage you through every challenge and triumph that comes our way. You know that I'm incredibly proud of your achievements and how hard you've worked for them. I cherish the solid foundations that we've built together through that hard work. I'm so excited for all that the future holds for us now.
I promise to never take your kindness, your patience, and your love for granted.
I promise that our journey together will continue to be filled with love, laughter, and unforgettable memories. I'll show my love through my day-to-day actions, and I'll always strive to make you feel as special as you are to me.
I make these vows so that in our marriage we continue to grow together. I make these vows so that in our marriage we find a constant source of peace, joy, and love. I make these vows so that in our marriage we stand the test of time.
I love you more than words can describe, and can't imagine my life without you by my side.
And thank you so much for choosing me 10 years ago and every day since.
I, Cameron, take you, Agathe, to be my wife, best friend, and forever source of laughter and comfort.
Agathe, you have always been a sparking person. We are more than certain that you have managed to gain the hearts of Wales and maybe more. We love you.
That you have in your house for one another and sail, yes, Clement, sail and not kayak. Sail towards a beautiful future, overcoming the bad ways and ways as one. So we love you and sincerely say, Vive les mariés.
Vive les mariés.
Agathe, aujourd'hui tu es très belle et tu es ma meilleure amie française. Directeur Agathe, je suis très fier de toi. Tu es une femme très forte et passionnante et très patiente. Je suis très heureux pour toi et mon beau frère. J'espère que tu vas avoir une très longue et heureuse vie avec Carole. Look after me, please.
You know I just can't get enough. Oh, yeah, everybody's
et les coucou hapus. Let me bring the glasses to the happy couple.
I think I know the reason why. I saw a blind man standing on a corner yesterday, baby. He couldn't hardly tie his shoes. We had a harmonic and a guitar strapped around his neck, and he sure could play the blues. Oh, yeah! Everybody's gotta live, and everybody's gonna die. Everybody better have a good time. I think you know the reason why. I feel like I've seen just about a million sunsets. She said, if you're with me, I'll never go away. That's when I stopped and I took another look at my baby. She said, if you're with me, I'll never go away. Because everybody's gotta live, and everybody's gonna die. Everybody try to have a good time. I think you know the reason why. I had a dream the other night, baby. I dreamt that I was all alone. But when I woke up, I took a look around myself, and I was surrounded by 50 million strong.